And of course, my dog is over there gagging as she chews her bone. So excuse the noise if you hear someone gagging. There's no one under this table. Doing me no service. So I just want to let y'all go check y'all right now before you come into the door.
And white supremacy. White supremacy. Systematic racism. You know.
Putting them cars out. Fuck, they all.
Yeah, I mean, it's still relevant because these laws are still on the books. They were created in like the late 80s, the HIV criminalization laws, which are laws that specifically criminalize people living with HIV for sexual behaviors and or sexual behaviors or sharing needles, any type of thing that can have the perceived notion of transmission. And these laws have not helped the epidemic. They've not helped end the epidemic. If anything, they've helped prolong the epidemic.
Look, I came with my inspiration shoes.
I know.
I want to show the people.
Get them. Show
the people.
Yes.
By Mr. Barack Obama.
Yes, Hunty.
Hey, Barry.
Yes.
Hey, Barry.
The only way movements actually are successful is if they are led by the people that are being the most affected by the plight. That's why we see a lot of Black women, men, trans, our sex workers. Why we see them when we look around the country in the movement, we see those are the faces. Those are the ones who are at front. They're the ones at the table driving this because they're the ones that have the most to lose. You know, they're the ones whose lives are on the table.